Hello everyone. Welcome to 11's Consultancy. Today we will be talking about how to apply for an entrepreneur visa in the UK. Applying for an entrepreneur visa in the UK can be a challenging process, but with the right guidance and knowledge, you can increase your chances of success. In this blog post, we will outline the steps involved in applying for an entrepreneur visa in the UK and provide some tips to help you through the process. Meet the eligibility requirements. In order to apply for an entrepreneur visa in the UK, you will need to meet certain eligibility requirements. These include having access to at least £50,000 in investment funds, as well as meeting the English language proficiency requirements and being able to support yourself financially. Register your business. Once you have established that you meet the eligibility requirements, the next step is to register your business with Companies House in the UK. This will involve choosing a name for your business, providing details about your business activities and registering your company with the appropriate government bodies. Create a business plan. As part of your entrepreneur visa application, you will need to create a detailed business plan outlining your proposed business activities, financial projections, and marketing strategy. This plan should be well-researched and provide a clear roadmap for how you intend to develop and grow your business in the UK. Apply for the visa. Once you have completed the above steps, you can begin the visa application process. This will involve submitting your business plan, investment funds and supporting documents, as well as attending a visa interview. It is important to ensure that your application is accurate and complete, as any mistakes or inconsistencies could result in your application being rejected. Set up your business in the UK. If your entrepreneur visa application is successful, you will be granted a visa allowing you to live and work in the UK for up to 3 years. During this time, you will need to set up your business in the UK and begin trading. You will also be able to apply for an extension of your visa if you meet the eligibility requirements. In summary, applying for an entrepreneur visa in the UK can be a complex process, but with the right guidance and support, it is possible to succeed. At 11's Consultancy, we can provide expert guidance and assistance throughout the visa application process, helping you to navigate the requirements and increase your chances of success. Contact us at info@11cconsultancy.com to learn more about our services and how we can help you apply for an entrepreneur visa in the UK.